Greetings, this is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. God bless you. You know, as always, I hope you are doing great. I wanted to follow up on a new product that I have out, and it is doing amazing. Everything I'm putting it on is getting large, green, and mean. I'm telling you, this is amazing stuff. And I'm going to touch upon it a little bit right now. And the main push of this new product I have called Massive is nanonized calcium, nanonized silica. Okay, let's start by talking about calcium and silica. Calcium and silica are the basic building blocks of your plant's leaves. Okay, the stem. Okay, everything. Without silica and calcium, your plant can't grow properly, and your plant uses more silica than NPK put together 3 times. The same with calcium, and I think even more so. So your plant needs a lot of silica and a lot of calcium. Okay. Now, how do you deliver that to a plant? Normally, it's delivered in through the soil, which I do. I have a bacteria in each one of these soil pots that breaks down silica. Okay, and then I do put in a lot of different type of calcium type, a calcium product, oyster shell flour, and I put a lot of it, and I put azomite in there to make up for the calcium, and then I put amino acids in there, okay, in the soil, so that the uptake of the calcium is made a lot easier. A plant will take up a lot more calcium with amino acids in the soil than without. Okay, now let's get back to where we're talking about calcium and silica. Massive has a product in there. There's 2 things that are in there: nanonized calcium and nanonized silica. Okay, and I got this from my doctor friend in India. The guy is amazing genius, and he is in the forerunner of agricultural biology and everything. The guy is a genius once again. But this is nanonized calcium and silica. Both have been broken down to less than 100 nanometers. Now, guys, I don't know if you know how big a nanometer is, but look at your hair, okay? And look at how thick it is. Okay, that's the Empire State Building, and a dog that's been miniaturized standing next to it. That's a little tiny toy dog. That's still too big to be a nanometer compared to your hair. Okay, that's one, but 100th nanometer is very extremely small. Okay, and so that is being delivered to your plant whenever you apply Massive. Okay, and when your plant takes that in through the leaves and it does take it into the soil, it takes in that calcium and that silica and uses it. Okay, and it makes big plant. There you go. If you want big healthy plants, you need lots of calcium, silica, and that's what you're going to get with Massive. Okay, now yucca extract is in there too. Okay, we think of everything here at Earthman Soil. Yucca extract will help break down the water molecules, and that'll allow your plant to absorb the product better. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about today: the nanonized calcium and the nanonized silica. Now, let's look at the results. Okay, as you can see, I have some leaf munchers, and man, I am telling you, I am doing my best to fight these guys, and I'm winning. But I mean, it's a tooth and nail battle, I'll tell you. Now, the one on the right with the popsicle stick, if you remember, is the one I did not treat with Massive. Okay, and now the one on the left is the one I did treat with Massive. And if you're going to see that the colors are different, okay, first of all, and the size are different. I mean, it's amazing. It's incredible how much bigger this plant has gotten and how much healthier that it is. And there it is in proof. I'm not trying to, guys, I love you guys. I want you to be successful in your garden, okay? And so I'm offering a product, and believe me, it's expensive for me to make. It really is. But I'm gonna give it to you, you know, at a really good price. And because I want you guys to experience what I have experienced in my garden, is by, you know, God's amazing creation provides it for us. So massive, with nanonized calcium and silica, broken down to 1/100th of a nano, less than 100 nanometers. If you look that up, that's small. Okay, delivered to your plant as it needs it. There you go. God bless you. Look into the product. Go to my website. Check it out. Look at the different microbes we have to offer. It's for real, guys. I mean, this stuff is done with science, okay? I am not a scientist, but the person I get it from, and then the other stuff that's in it that I do put in, is amazing. But he is a scientist above scientists. So God bless you. May you have a great day.